Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 26th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed up just a little bit today at 68 cents, 0.25% up. Closed at 276.01. Post-market, we seem to be down by 30 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So I would almost say not too much of a surprise. We closed outside of our bullish channel Friday. So in fact, this line here should be red. This was a test, guys. No, not really. So we broke outside of it and we are continuing our way down. Yes, we closed a little bit higher, but look at how low we went and we did not go as high. We matched the high that we did, but we also went quite low. To me, this is still a down day, even though it's up by 68 cents. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, big green candle, first hour of the day. And we opened lower. We opened lower and then went straight up, close, very close to the previous high that we had made on Friday. But look at Stochastic here. Stochastic was telling us, no, this move is not to be believed. We don't have Stochastic over 60, blah, blah, blah. You know the drill. And second hour, we came back down. And it seemed like we were going to come back up a little bit. We have retested our big channel support, which is now a resistance. Big channel support, we retested it. We have retested it on the third hour. And also on the next to last hour, we retested it also. And now we seem to be coming back down. But we are still at the same level as we were at around 11:30. But no stochastic there. There's no force in the stock. There's no force in the stock. It should keep going down a little bit. Let's go back to the daily chart. The stochastic has not moved at all, so we are still at 28. Everything else is bearish except that we still have the two lines of MACD above zero, so that's still a bullish, and DMI is also down. So far, there's no evidence that the stock is changing its downtrend. We are still in this downtrend right here. And we have broken outside of this big uptrend that we had. So let's see what Tesla is going to do for the rest of the week. We have AI day number 2 on Friday. So maybe this could give Tesla a little bit of a go sometimes this week. Stay tuned for my VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500 and NASDAQ video, which you can take a look at somewhere on the left or the right. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.